Is your Jeep Grand Cherokee's alarm randomly going off? The most common culprits are the radio frequency hub, or RF hub, the hood switch, and the key fob battery. The RF hub manages keyless entry and security signals. A faulty hood switch can falsely signal that the hood is open, triggering the alarm. A weak key fob battery can also cause issues. Start by replacing the key fob battery with a new CR2032. Next, inspect the hood switch for corrosion or damage, especially if you live in a colder climate where road salt is used. Clean the switch and surrounding area. If the issue persists, the RF hub may need a software update or replacement. For hood switch issues, consider replacing it with an aftermarket switch, available for $15 to $30. Always disconnect the battery before attempting any repairs. For RF hub problems, check if your Jeep is eligible for an over-the-air software update from Jeep, especially if it's a 2018 or newer model. Dealerships also offer reprogramming services. Note that Stellantis extended the powertrain warranty to 7 years or 100,000 miles for RF hub issues. As a last resort, consider a third-party RF hub replacement, but ensure professional reprogramming to avoid voiding warranties. Clean the hood latch and surrounding area regularly to prevent future corrosion.